There's plenty of evidence that Mr. Trump is a con man, a fake.
Mitt is a failed candidate. He failed.
It's my honor, real honor, and privilege to endorse Mitt Romney.
You can see how loyal he is. He was begging for my endorsement. I could have said, Mitt, drop to your knees. He would have dropped to his knees.
Mitt is tough, he's smart, he's sharp.
Mitt was a disaster as a candidate.
Donald Trump has shown an extraordinary ability to understand how our economy works. He inherited his business. He didn't create it. To create jobs for the American people. Donald Trump is a phony, a fraud. His promises are as worthless as a degree from Trump University.
It was very nasty. I mean, I thought he was a better person than that.
I'm so honored and pleased to have his endorsement. Dishonesty is Donald Trump's hallmark.
My wife called just before. She said, darling, would you please react presidentially? Be presidential. I said, yeah, but I have incoming. When you have incoming, you can't be too presidential.